Taking a look at Spotify here, we do have earnings during this week, and these are some of the latest price targets for Spotify. Mac Query here with a $665 price target, a buy recommendation. Wolf Research here, $660 buy recommendation as well. And then Cantor here with a 520 hold recommendation. UBS here with a 680 buy recommendation. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the Webull chart. Feel free to pause the screen right now if you want to view the rest of these price targets. Take it with a grain of salt. These are just the latest firms here putting their price targets on unusual whales. I'm going to go ahead and go on to Spotify now. Now you can see currently we're at $623. It is pretty far up, but I want to keep an eye out for $515 here as a major support. If we cannot hold $515 as a support level here, I would really be cautious on a potential dip down to about $430. And again, going into earnings, I want to see us, and I'm pretty optimistic as well, I want to see us breaking back above $652 and potentially testing towards $680, which is one of the price targets we saw earlier. Again, currently here we're at $623. If you want to compare the current price here all the way up to about $680 or $670, that is close to about a 9% move towards the top side. Definitely keep an eye out for a move up there if you're optimistic on earnings. If you are bearish, right, going into earnings and you think there is going to be a bigger dip, I would cautious on 515 being a potential support level here. And again, the likelihood of us testing 515 isn't that high in my opinion, but it is a possibility. You could see here during the last 2 months, it's been extremely volatile here for Spotify. And I am currently viewing 515 here as a major support level. We did dip down below 515 during the last 2 months, but we did get bought all the way back up. If this does occur a third time, that's when I would be careful of a potential dip down towards $430. And again, personally, if we get down to these ranges, the probability is pretty low, but if we do get down to 430 and 515, personally, that's where I would be looking to add long-term into Spotify. That would be an amazing dip opportunity, right? Now, that's where I would add a really big position. If we even dip down slightly closer to 515, that's where I would look to add a small position. And again, I don't mind adding a small position even right now, especially if I'm looking to just go long-term, say 5 to 10 years out for Spotify. I do think long-term Spotify will continue to make its way up. And again, like I said, in the short term, I would also keep an eye out for $680 to be tested here to the top side. Let me know what your thoughts are down below on Spotify, especially during earnings this week. If you are long-term on Spotify and you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description. It's going to be free to join, and we have over 32,000 people there, as well as a dedicated chat section for Spotify. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options from multiple analysts, check out our Patreon link and see if we have any open available spots. We do have a 90% off discount right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. And again, it's going to be a permanent discount if you're able to secure a spot. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video for Spotify. I will be making more Spotify videos, so stay tuned and turn on notifications and subscribe if you want to support our channel here.